there is some kind of, I've actually never fully looked into this. There is some kind of like magic, I think, or like not magic, but like I believe that in PureScript you can like import and do like, I don't know, mylib.do, and then I'm guessing, I need to look into how this works. I'm guessing that what happens then is that the whatever bind implementation is in this library is what's used. I think so, I'm not sure, but I don't see that here. Oh, look, yeah, here it is. I remember this. Use this module to rebind do and add notation with via qualified edit. Okay, let's see how this thing. Control monad index. How is this implemented? Control monad indexed. Control monad qualified. Wait, what? Okay. Interesting. Right. Okay. 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 That's interesting. Oh, interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay. Very interesting. All right. So, yeah, right. Okay. Very, very interesting. Okay. So, we don't need this in order to see. Okay. So, okay. So let's take a look at this. How, what is, okay. Not, let's see, so I'm, oh. Cool. This is important, of course. I haven't looked into that. Because, let's see, I think, so, I mean, yeah, I need to look into that. How, yeah, this is gonna be important, okay. Like, okay, numbers are inferred for parameters of foreign data types since we do not have enough information to safely choose a less restrictive role. Okay. Themselves. Is it nominal parameters are only courseable? Okay. I think it means that if you have like a yeah, exactly. It says here immediately. It says. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you can't just assume that you can. And this is good if you want to tag something with a universal quantifier to like this value is unique and you must not like, you cannot like, I don't know, you can control the scope or when that value is allowed to be used. Okay, when it's known to be, okay, so, save default, okay, yeah. Number of rows also for constraint parameters, of course, of all shown area. So, because I remember this, I think it means that you can change it. I'm just curious which roles are there. Phantom parameters are coercible to anything. Oh, okay, right, interesting. So holds only when yeah, okay, interesting. Yeah, of course. Variable could be, yeah. Let's see. User variable could be instantiated to anything. We have to be conservative for nominal to be the most restricted role. So representational does not hold. Okay, so I think, okay, let's do a new type here. Not new type, but a new type. I think we want this, and let's do effect. We're gonna remove IO later. Okay. I think we want that. What are you complaining? Oh, okay. Didn't know that. There we go. And what are you complaining about? Oh, wait. Oops. Oh yeah, I know, of course. But now, this I don't know if type is the same as role, because I think if we look for so type is a row. I mean F. So we have like the F type here somewhere. Deprecated, yeah. But I don't know if they let's see. New effect types using foreign data. Right. Kind effect. Interesting. This might be outdated, I'm not sure. But like I can see kind effect. Yeah, it means yeah. It's a type of a type. Okay. Row. Data row. Let's see, is this foreign? Yeah. Oh. Okay, cool. Interesting. Right. Okay. So this is so here's this is the sort of the console stuff. I gave, or like whatever effect. Now, okay. Yeah, of course. This is cool. This is really cool. This is really cool. So, but now I don't think they had roles back then. I'm not sure. No, see no roles here. Okay. So, and how? So, kind effect, data effect. Oh, okay, interesting. And is this also foreign? Foreign import, yeah, kind of interesting. Wait. Oh, import kind. I didn't know you could do that. Cool. So we can like declare. Let's do that. Sorry, and I'm gonna do it reverse, or like I don't know, something like this, native effect. And what are you complaining about? Yeah, because is this supposed to be colon? I wonder. I mean, no. Wait. Let's see here. How do you? So maybe this has changed. I mean, there's no way we can do it. Actually, never done this. How the hell do you declare a new kind? I mean, it's not data. Oh man, how do you do that? PureScript declare a kind. Types maybe. Rows. It's a kind system. So the kinds of types are the types. The only type not supported in kinds are constraints, which have no kind level equivalent. Kind polymorphism is supported through top level kind signatures. Okay. Defined, let's see. Okay, wait, okay, so, So, let's see here, how the hell does this work? So is it like, I mean, I guess it would be a type then. I'm having, brain is freezing up. Okay, type, and also can provide regular type of structures too. Okay. The kind system may prescribe all several built-in kinds. Star for great types. Bang for fact. What? Is this true? Or is this the AI being stupid? This might be new. I haven't used PureScript in a little while. Is this, how old is this? Can I see? I can't see. Oh, it's, I don't, okay, whatever. Let's see. Okay. Right, of course. I cannot give you a concrete type. Yeah. I think maybe this is correct actually. So let's see. Okay. I think this is correct. So let's just proceed. I don't wanna read this. I don't want to read. Probably should, but okay. Right. There might be a lot of interesting stuff here. I'm just, ugh. So, do I even? I mean, like, okay, so now you're gonna say it doesn't have like implementation. Yeah. So what if we did this? Now you, because like why have a foreign import? Because like now there's no representation of this. So like if I let's just build all this. No, sorry, build. If I go in bin, this would be effect. So let's see here, there is no representation, but if I did, let's just do a ho, like, and I'm just gonna do this for fun, or there we go. Now I think if I build this, if we go in here, there's gonna be a constructor, yeah. This says just how many arguments there are. Okay, cool, yeah, exactly, no need. Okay, so I think this is, so this means you can't instantiate. I think this is how you do it. I would love to get into like the stuff more, but right now I just wanna. So this thing here, what is that? Like, why can't I do this? Why does it not allow that? Okay, maybe. Okay. All right, whatever. All right. So we have this thing. Now I'm saying you cannot coerce these. That's correct. You cannot coerce these. So let's implement basically IO bind. So this is gonna be super interesting. Effect bind, and then let's see here. I think, okay. Now if I do this, it's gonna say, yeah, it doesn't work. So I take, like, I don't know, say E0, E1, we need E1 there, okay. And here, E2, right? Let's see if I'm thinking correctly here. Now, I don't think this is correct technically, but we'll just start there, and then here you get E0, E2. Can I put these on? Actually, let's do that, okay. Now, this is not correct, because we need, let's see here, can I do, let's see, okay, let's say I have an effect, and let's just do, I don't know, greeting, I guess, greeting. So what does it say? It says, okay, so let's say greeting, or like hello. Let's see, let's just do this here. So now, so this can you actually, okay, whatever. I'm just gonna do this so we get something. Now it would be really cool to have what do you call it? Oh yeah, okay. Oh, no, okay. So, okay, so another part is talking about foreign import. Okay, so let's see here. This is not correct, by the way. Okay, can I? No way I can do this, right? But like, okay, and is. Can you do this? No. Okay. See, actually, before you check parse. Okay. Okay, you can do that. Now, what if I did this? Now it says, yeah, it doesn't work. But why does? Oh yeah. Of course. Now, I can do that. Can I? Now, what if I did this? Yeah. Right. That's cool. Okay. Cool. So, let's see here. Okay, interesting. Very interesting. So I guess this is the same. There's no point in doing that. Might as well do that. Okay, that's cool. Now, can I? So here I'm saying, I want to say like, okay, I don't care what comes before, but after, I want. I want this. So now this needs to be, so we need to do foreign import hello. I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay, no, of course. We're gonna put data. I think that's correct. All right. Okay. Now, how do I say that this is not in here? Okay, let's just write out a few and then we'll adjust it. So hello, talk, bye. Okay. Hello, talk, bye, and here I want to say that this has come before and it's still there, and this here I say it has come before and then it's no longer there. So shouldn't I be able to do something like this then? Conversation and say effect so I'm just gonna effect E. And then here, I think, oh, right. Okay, effect. Okay, I'm not gonna write do for now. We're just gonna write out manually. So, effect bind. Hello. Oh man. You know, oh man, we should we should actually fix this. Is it possible to do this? No way this is possible. So my function, right, okay. So can I do this? Hello, world, talk, blah blah, by planet. Okay, So unknown value discard, right? Of course. Okay, interesting. So let's do, actually, let's do this for now. Okay, interesting. Now, okay, could not match. Oh, interesting. Could not match. So the error messages are not great. This could be annoying. Now, can I do this? Interesting. Okay, this is cool, but is that it? I thought is that all there is to it? Like, because like I thought, I mean, okay, like because I thought because it's if you don't understand how these work, well, okay, so like at first glance, yeah, it should work. I mean, aren't we saying that this is not in here? But like also at the same time, couldn't this be in here? Does it understand that? Like, does it infer that? Because I thought you'd have to do something along the lines of like, if we go, let's see here. What's it called? Brain freeze. Row, I think. Let's go. So here's it's row in prim, and I think. Yeah. So like, okay, yeah, exactly. Lax type class. The lax type class asserts that it's a class that a label does not occur in. Yeah, exactly. So because I thought I would have to do. Yeah, I thought I would have to do. Let's see. I thought I would have to do that. Another constraints are not allowing foreign imports, huh? I think I know why. Because I think if there's a constraint, then it will try to pass a. I'm not sure, but I think it will try to pass like a table lookup. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. I'm just yeah, I'm surprised by that. Because I thought that this here, a row is not like a, it's not actually a, what do you call it? It's not actually a map, it's actually an association list. Also, not sure, do I want to look into that? No. So this, okay, wait. So here's an interesting question. So what if I do this? Hello 0, okay, now you're gonna. Now, what if I do this? And, okay, well, there we go. Okay, now here, what if I do this? Yeah, no, okay, interesting. Okay. Okay, so, all right. So, okay, a few things. First of all, so it is like an association list. It's just, or I guess you can call it a set, and this is an entry. It's not a map, it's a set. And this is a different entry than this. I think so. Because like if I do, so if I do that, now this is gonna say it doesn't match here, but I could say actually, I could say, I thought I could say that. Okay, bye, okay. So you want hello, okay, so, okay, but like if I do this, interesting, okay, interesting. So let's see here. So, okay, no, okay, so yeah. I think it's like an association list. So hello zero here is appending this to this. So this thing is still in there. So, okay, we do want the lax. Okay, that's annoying. But okay, all right. So what if we did this? This okay. Because I don't want to be able to, like, I don't want this to be possible. I want this, I want to be able to say like, no, you've already greeted, like this is, what kind of a conversation, you know, you greet twice, that is not allowed. So, okay. So we could do, let's do something, let's do this. For an hello. Hello. Now here we could say, okay, and let's just yeah, there we go. One. Okay. Now I actually want this to not work. So what I'd say here is lax, okay, label, symbol, right. I am not entirely sure how that works. I think maybe this, right? Maybe. Hello. And I want E to like this. Now I think this. No type places was found for criminal. Okay, cool. I think that's correct. So, and this happens to work, but if we do, now this doesn't work, and now we can do, so now you're saying, okay, lax hello. This is like these typers can be not fun to deal with. But I'm gonna, okay. Man, I wish there was a Because you can do this in Lisp. Like, I wish I could, like, map the... No, how do you even do that? I don't know. I was thinking like a function that just maps the error. But, okay. Okay, but here's the thing. I think this is so powerful, I want to give this a shot. If this does not work, then we will try something else. Because, like, yeah, I wanna try this. I wanna see how this works. Also, before, I just wanna, because I'm thinking about ending the video and then implementing all this in the next one. So let's see. Here. Is there a... Wait, I need to... oh, right, of course. Right, of course. There we go. Oh, what are you saying? You're saying... Can I match a... Bye, hello, 0. Now you're saying you don't know that it lags. Exactly. You don't know. So that's fine. That's absolutely fine. Again, what is the what are the ergonomics of this? But this is very, very interesting and very, very cool. And it's gonna be super interesting to see, like, can you yeah, I don't know. We'll see. It's super interesting. But yeah, and yeah, okay, whatever. Well, there are more things to look into. But yeah, so what I wanted to, what I wanted to do is I want to compile this, and I just want to look real quick on the at the implementation, or like the generated code. It would be effect, not SCM. So let's see. Okay, right. Effect, hello one, effect, hello. That's interesting. Effect, hello one, yeah. Wait, what's this? What is this? Oh, it's like some kind of generated type class, maybe. Wait, what happens if I do? Oops. Yeah. Okay, this is some kind of... One thing I'm super interested in, we're not going to do that now. I want to, like, I'm going to be careful with doing too much optimizations. I want to, like, just build things a little bit naively, and then we're going to, once we have a bunch of code, we're going to, yeah, I don't want to just sit and do, like, clever optimizations and transformations of code until I have something to actually measure to see what actually happens. And yeah, so it's tempting to start doing things, but I think, oops, I don't like these. I do not like these. These are super annoying. I wonder if it's possible to I'm just gonna look super quickly. Tasks, no, settings. False. Oh, nice. So I keep accidentally pushing these. Okay, that's so nice. All right. Okay, I'm gonna end it there, and we're gonna look into implementing this in the next video.